talk about something a little more fun. I need to hear everyone's favorite layover. We're gonna start down here.
So believe it or not, one of my favorite layovers so far was San Antonio. I never been there, and I was really excited when I had the chance like go to the downtown and explore the Riverwalk. There is so many like restaurants and bar. I feel like kind of in Italy. And I will never say that like it's USA, but it really does feel like in somewhere else.
Like you were in Venice on the river walk in Antonio.
It's basically just gondola.
So far, my favorite layover city is Seoul. So yeah, it allowed me to stay connected with my family and all the friends who are living in Korea. And I love city's traditional market and eating Korean authentic food and shopping for Korean beauty skin products. It was so fun.
So you started with family, but then you ended with shopping, and that's kind of where I am with that, especially going to Korea to get skincare. That's amazing. We always go to France to get our butter. We go to Germany to get our mustard, and we go to Korea to get our skincare.
Yeah, I will be your tour guide when you have a plan.
Just please take me around in shopping. All right, Jean-Louis?
So far, I was it was unexpected, but Madison, Wisconsin. I got a 30-hour there. It was game day, and I went to that college town, and I can't wait to go again.
For the game day, the vibes, and the cheese.
Oh yeah,
The cheese is best. So I will say the same thing. College towns are absolutely wonderful because they are big little cities and they have lots of restaurants, which is one of my favorite things to do when I'm on a layover. And one of my favorites was Boise. Yeah, so I have the same little college town. What was yours?
Well, I mentioned earlier that I love Calgary, but I also really enjoy Portland, Maine. And I would be lying if I told you it's not because they have the best lobster roll I've ever had.
Absolutely. I have been there. I know exactly potato, donuts, and lobster rolls.
Potato donuts, I haven't tried.
Yeah, you gotta try them next time. All right, what's yours?
You know what? It's, as I was saying earlier, all the domestic places, but Tucson, Arizona. I love food. I just love food. I think it's one of the best thing ever when we travel, being able to discover and try. And Tucson, Arizona has one of the first Mexican restaurants in the United States is in Tucson. I think they claim to be the first one, and the food is original and amazing. So those little places, Tucson is my favorite today, but tomorrow I'll be going to Bozeman and having a great dinner there. It'll be my favorite.
All right, Anish?
So my favorite layover that I've done was actually a commemorative trip I took with some of my classmates from training after completing 1 year on the line. So after celebrating 1 year of flying in Atlanta at an event, Lyft, that many of you have attended, we packed our bags and hopped on a working trip to Quito in Ecuador, where we got to spend a day exploring the city together. And it really felt like a full circle moment, bringing that first year of flying together and sharing that experience with the people who had pushed ourselves through training together with, and really made that feel full circle.
I love that. I've got a few more places to put on my list, so thank you all so much.